Australia is widely regarded as having some of the most rugged, remote and challenging terrain. Being able to keep people connected is really important, and of course, in an emergency, it's even more important to be able to get a clear and concise message out quickly. We want to ensure that everybody gets home safely to their family at the end of a day's work or a day out exploring. So having the peace of mind of a product that's there in case something goes wrong, but more importantly, having a product that can prevent things from going wrong.
So what we make are UHF CB radios, so citizen band radios. So they'll be used typically by a four-wheel drive. A lot of trucks use them, farmers use them as well.
GME is a family-owned Australian business. We specialise in RF communication products. We've been doing it for 66 years, and we're super proud of the fact that we still manufacture electronics right here in Australia.
Our founder, Ted Dunn, was a television engineer, and that sort of morphed over the years into making UHF CB radios and safety beacons, which we still make today.
There's been a lot of progression and a lot of development in terms of the types of products that GME manufactures, but at the heart of it all, it's about a passion for electronics manufacturing in Australia.
So we're an interesting business when you think about it. Mobile phones being so common today, why do people use radios?
Because Australia's got such a large landmass, and because a large portion of that landmass is not covered by cellular networks or mobile phone networks, products that operate without that infrastructure are critically important to make sure that people are safe while they're working or while they're out there exploring.
Grey nomads use them. So the beauty of these things are if you go to an area where there's no mobile phone coverage, you're not out of contact. You can still communicate with other CB radio users. But beyond that, they're push to talk and they're one to many. So you can push the button and talk, and anyone who's got a CB radio within the range will be able to hear you and communicate with you. So we're very fortunate that we're largely one or two location facilities. So we're here at the moment in Winston Hills in Western Sydney. Here we have about 220 people, everything from product design through to manufacture, through to shipping, marketing, sales, accounting, all of that, supply chain, all those things are here.
It's critical for GME that we do continue to manufacture our products in Australia for Australian conditions. We've got a really unique country here. We've got some unique environmental factors that we need to take into consideration. So by being based in Australia and manufacturing the products here, we know that the products that we're producing and selling to our customers are going to perform in those harsh Australian conditions.
The green and gold kangaroo indicates an expectation of quality manufacturing. So I think the fact that we're Australian-made is important, but the fact that we make the effort to relate those Australian-made products to the use case and the user community is really what drives that strong relationship we have with many users.
Our customers tell us that they want to buy Australian-made communications products, and that's what ultimately motivates us to keep doing what we're doing. It costs more for us to manufacture products in Australia than offshore. That's an undeniable fact. Our customers are willing to pay a premium for an Australian-made product because of the quality and the reliability that the Australian manufacturing stands for when it comes to communications products. And ultimately, we think we make a better product in Australia than we could make in any other country.